In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect ComfyUI to N8N. So firstly, open up N8N and log into your account. Once you're on your account, click on the create workflow option here on your top right, and then you get to this workflow here, click on the plus icon here, and then in the search bar here, search for HTTP request. Okay, and then select the HTTP request. Once you're done here, so now you'll get to this parameter screen here, and then the method you can just choose any one of these based on your needs. I will just leave it as get, and for the URL, go to your Comfy profile, so Comfy website, and then copy the URL from there. Okay, and then you can just paste it from there, and then once that's done, for authentication you can either choose a predefined or a generic. I will just use predefined here. Okay, once that's done, and then for the credential type you can click on it, and then you can choose any one of these. Okay, that's best suits you, and then the credentials, you can just create a new credentials, and then you can get these API key from your ComfyUI website here. So plug in the API key, and then from there hit on save and connect your account. So once that's done, you can now actually configure all these options here. There are more parameters and settings here for you to configure. You can do that or else leave as it is. Once you're done with everything, all you have to do is click on execute step. Once that's done, if you click on back to Canva, and here you will see that your ComfyUI has now been set up. You can test it by clicking on this execute workflow option here.